for tuning in. This is how to deep fry a turkey tutorial. So step one, we want to pull the turkey out, get a chill on it. I put a little salt on top of it, take a napkin, and I just want to dab all around it to get some of that moisture up off of it. We want to get the skin as dry as possible. This helps it cook evenly, but it also stops it from burning your seasonings, and it helps the seasonings stick to the skin better as well. Step two, which is a very important step as well, is go ahead and get your fryer started. I like to cook my turkey on 350 degrees. That's understanding that when I put the bird in there, it's gonna bring down that temperature. So I'm ideally frying around 300 and 325 degrees, okay? While that is heating up, I'm gonna add some more salt. And I'm not scared of this salt. I'm really generous. As you can see, I like to use kosher salt. I'm not a big fan of Himalayan salt unless it's used for like seafoods or lighter foods or whatnot. After I place the salt on top, this is my little trick. The salt is gonna bring out the moisture in the skin, and then I'm gonna add what I like to use is avocado oil. The avocado oil, once the moisture in the skin has been removed, is gonna help as almost like a binder for the seasonings that I add. Keep it real simple today for my seasoning. I'm using a little bit of black magic, which is a Cajun blackening seasoning, and then some salt-free Tony's. Everybody know about the Tony's, okay? And I'm seasoning one side at a time for a reason, okay? Black pepper, of course. And then after the black pepper, and I'm being pretty generous with this. The idea is we're seasoning the top to go through. And then I'm coming through with that Creole. Ooh, baby. Just a little bit more fat. And you can use whatever kind of oil you like to use. Me personally, I don't suggest using olive oil or anything with a flash point that's gonna burn. And then this is why they call it a rub, guys. Don't never forget this part. You gotta actually get in there and rub it. This is one of the most important steps that people like to skip. Oh yeah. And we just want to rub it real good. Almost like lotioning your legs, you know what I mean? Don't want to miss a spot. And then I'm gonna flip her, and then we'll repeat exactly what we just did. All right, guys, what I'm doing right now is I'm just tying up the legs so we can drop this in the fryer easily, but also remember, tying using butcher's twine helps whatever you're using cook evenly. So you can tie up tenderloins, roast, anything you think of. If you want it to cook evenly, use some butcher's twine. All right, I just want to wrap that all the way around and just kind of get these in as close as I can to the body. So when I fry it, they're not the first to burn up. Like I said, once we put this cold bird into this oil, it's gonna cause a massive explosion. So we have to slowly go in. But also we gotta make sure that the temperature is right. If I put this temperature in now, It's gonna take it down to 150 and we'll be cooking this thing and it won't be any good. So right now I'm just checking to make sure I get it to at least 350. Okay guys, this is one of my favorite parts. This is when we give a little flavor boost to the turkey while it begins to fry. This will start to soak into the meat. Stand, you can still do it without it, but it just stops it from leaning on the outside and it just helps it cook evenly. All right. You want to go in slowly. If you try to hurry up and drop it in, it'll bubble over. As you can see, she's starting to bubble right now. Now we wait. And that's how you prep to deep frying your own turkey. I'm Chef Sosa. Until next time.
Those eyes, man.